Hi! In this video, I will show you DecoBrush markers that are metallic and permanent once they dry up, and wear resistant once impregnated with Deco Color Varnish. They are available in a palette of 10 colors. You can buy the whole set or individual pieces. Once it dries up, the metallic paint is permanent, light and water resistant on such surfaces as paper, wood, pottery, glass, metal and plastics. In this video, you can see me decorating different objects with them. Thanks to the DecoBrush markers, you can give a new life to old toolboxes, containers, caskets or packages. If you want the markers to be more opaque, you can apply a second layer once the first one has dried up. You can apply one color over the other. The color on top will conceal the one underneath. Coloring a non-varnished, matte surface, you will get the best results by using the Deco Color Varnish over dried up markers. You can impregnate all surfaces, but remember not to color or varnish objects in places that have contact with food. Write in your comments what you would like to decorate with the markers. See you!